Dude, that was awesome. Oh, that's steep. Oh no, not getting up that. I'm not going down without a fight. Going round 2. This is the ESKUTE Nova Mini, and this is one of the best-selling e-motos on the market. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today we're going to be looking at the ESKUTE Nova Mini, and I cannot wait to actually take this bike out and go for a ride. So don't worry, we're going to be doing that later in this video, but let's cut to some of the amazing features that this bike has to offer. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I feel like I fit on this bike absolutely perfect. Now, this bike right here has 3,500 watts of peak power, and that is going to be pretty snappy. It's going to have 220 Newton meters of torque, so if you're trying to wheelie your e-moto, this is definitely going to do that. We also have a nice Sur-On style throttle. This is going to be a 48 volt 23 amp hour battery that's going to offer about 53 miles of range time, so that is pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. This bike is going to support up to 265 pounds of a rider. It's going to be like a pit bike, mini bike, but for me, this style bike actually fits me a lot better. I love the blacked out look because it's just so sleek and looks absolutely amazing. Check out the throttle on this. Feels so good. I love the grip. We're also going to have a nitrogen filled shock, which is going to last a longer time when you're riding. It's going to give you a way better performance feel. So that is definitely a huge upgrade. Now on this bike, we're going to have a 12-inch tire in the back and a 14-inch in the front, which is going to give you a lot better steering, acceleration, and look at these huge knobby tires. Definitely really high quality. Love the headlight. I've seen this on other bikes, and guys, this is going to have the built-in turn signals on the front, which I do love. And this headlight is cool because you can actually aim it wherever you want. Now this is going to be a mid-drive motor, so we're actually going to have a chain. This is going to be a chain-driven setup, and we have a huge sprocket here. It's going to deliver a ton of power to that rear wheel. We're talking 220 Newton meters of torque, which is absolutely insane. If you want to remove the battery, you have a really nice skid plate right here, so it's going to keep it nice and safe. But all you got to do is untwist this, pull this out with the handle, just push it up, and then the battery will be able to come right out and be easily accessible. Also, the port for the battery is going to be sealed off, which is really nice. Same with the keys as well. There's like a taper around the keys, which I do love. And this is going to be IPX6 rated, so everything's going to be sealed off. So you want to take it through mud, light rain, anything like that. Everything is going to be able to work and function normally. We're just going to turn the key. By the way, we get 2 keys, and we're going to have a nice display. Check out the horn. Really loud horn, and definitely gets a ton of attention. You get the battery bar right here, and then you're also going to have your trip, so you can change that. 0.6, 53, it's going to show your volts. So we're going to have 3 different modes to choose from, and it's also going to show you your miles per hour, which is going to be really helpful. We get that nice headlight, and I like how this button is actually curved. It's something you actually kind of hard to notice, but it's really practical, so you can actually just flick that a lot easier. Also going to have hazards, which I do like, and you got the turn signals right here. This is what the hazards look like. So if you're on the side of the road, or you want to take some cool photography of your bike. I like taking videos of my bike and doing the hazards because it just makes it stand out and look really cool. So this bike definitely has that. And then lastly, we're going to have some really dialed in hydraulic brakes on the front and the rear. The rear brake is going to be on this side, so it'll be easier to do wheelies and brake slides and everything like that. And you get huge brake discs in the front and the rear. But that's enough talk about the bike. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a ride. So let's go ahead and start this video off with a top speed run. We're already up to 30 miles an hour really quickly. Oh yeah, that's awesome. 42, 43, 44.5. There we go, guys. 44.5 miles an hour. So we are on the ESKUTE Nova Mini. I'm hanging out with my brother right now. We ended up finding some trails. We're gonna go ahead and test this thing out and see how it does. Right now, this thing is nice and clean, so we'll check out what this looks like by the end of the video. This is some really muddy terrain right now. This does have a nice IP rating, so it's gonna keep the bike operating even when it's wet, rain, all sorts of conditions. We can get through that no problem. Look at that. Just conquered that. I have a feeling I'm going to be covered in mud by the end of this one. Steep hill. All right. Oh. Yeah, we're good. Oh, yeah. This is awesome. That is pretty dang deep. Look at that. Oh, yeah. No problem. That is crazy deep. And with having a dirt bike, I can actually just go around if I want to. This is literally the true test here, man. Oh yeah. Guys, do you see how deep these puddles are? The ground clearance on this is absolutely amazing, and we even got the headlight we can turn on too. Oh yeah, let's see if we can go through the middle. I'm not even using the full power yet. I mean, it's going up here, no problem. Oh yeah. This is a very steep hill, I will tell you that. Oh yeah, we're doing it. Oh, here we go. Yeah! What? Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah, heck yeah! Oh, and a little jump to finish it off. Dude! That was awesome! I made it up there, no problem. All right, so after that little run, I just wanted to take a quick look at the bike. Ground clearance is amazing so far. I'm having no issues. Back tire is a little bit caked up, but everything's operating perfectly fine. Oh! Hey, is that shallower?
That way is worse.
All right. Oh, I'm going in it. That was a huge puddle. Literally got one of these because I wanted to do some trail riding with my brother, and it turns out that this was a very, very good choice. Now we got some downhill. We're gonna really test these brakes out. Got a lot of wet rocks. This is one of the more difficult spots. Just gotta navigate, having no problem though. Front brake and everything, the hydraulics are just dialed in. Big discs. I wish I got one of these bikes a lot sooner, guys. This is pretty cool. We're going for it. Too bad you got to get the tires a little bit wet there. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, yes. That is so steep. Oh my gosh, we're doing it, no problem. What? What? Yes. This hill is huge. No problem for the bike. Gonna cross over right there. Yep, we got it. Perfect. I really was a little bit apprehensive whenever I came out to these trails. This blew my mind with how much power it had for the trails. And it's like just a little bit of a bigger bike, so it fits me really nice. And like, this is the true test because it is wet out today. We just had some crazy amount of rain come through. All right, that looks dry right there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is pretty wet. Yep, there we go. There it is, guys. Oh, I'm so mad I didn't get this bike sooner. This is so awesome. Now we got the gravel, a little bit of rocks. Suspension feels amazing. And the seat's really comfortable, surprisingly, here. I'm gonna do a nice brake slide. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, it's so muddy. This is gonna be a fun hill climb. Let's get it, boys. Let's go. Oh, that's steep. Oh no! Not getting up that.
That one was tough. That's the biggest one around.
There it is, boys. We can't do this one. I'm not going down without a fight. Going round two. A little bit of a push and we made it. See if my brother can make it up. Yeah. If you guys like to pick up a Nova Mini, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys. This bike is absolutely amazing. You can conquer a hill climb just like this in the mud, rain, all that, guys. This is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.